Alright, so you want to know what I had for lunch today? I had cornflakes and let's go. And then I'm going home to get saltfish and boiled dumpling. Sorry, I can't really see it. You see? I know you want some, but it's finished. See it done. Start the video late. Alright, so this is what I have in a day as a house call nurse practitioner. Alright, need to find a place and put this fork.